highest ever in the world.
Ka Overseas Nursing Job Fair Kabala penlong ha uni ustem baladep kelawan ra ke jekelai ki ar punyongut ki nos na megalaya kabla kloy banang pentebet ya kakam ke jongki hadien bikiladep syak hikai ban kronika ketingin Japan. Da kan ni ke jengnang batmai kini ki nos ken salet bentre ki hospital bat ki jaka sumar ki bedon ha keleng keri Japan. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Sang Ma ulai kendu ya kinong hikai bagi kena puli ha ka ulah penpau ya ka jeng ngau sarong bat ulah kentho ba ka long ka bas ngau tenat ben yo i bagi nos na kejela kin mi sabar ban syakri ki briu ki papang jengai na laki yeng kisem ulah kenturu ya ki wei bagi wan sakmat ban shim ya kani ka kabu om tang ban kamai hindrei ru ban nang kampet tebet su ya ka jeng nang ka jongki la penlong ya kani ka jeng ai jeng hikai da shipongut kinong hikai na Japan hanavis.
After 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world.
I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Konrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity.
Chief Electoral